Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to copy and paste text in Photopea. Let's begin. Example, I copy to this text, hold Alt and select text, press Ctrl C, copy and create a new layer, text, click anywhere, wait 5 seconds and press Ctrl V. See this paste text, double click and customize the line, again double click align. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.